Hi Libra, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing your June finance and career reading. Alright, so Libra, what is coming towards you in terms of finances and career? Money, what is happening with money and Librans? Alright, Libra, career, finance and money. Let's see, what's June bringing for you? Ooh. Libra, maybe you're reviewing or recalculating a lot of things. You're thinking whether it really serves me a purpose. Do I really have to do this? Why do I have to do this? And is this expense really needed? Is this how I should be earning? Such kind of feelings going on. Or there could be suddenly the same old situations coming in front of you, and you have to make a decision right now. And you're like trying to be as wise as possible. It's like the judgment moment for you. Some kind of judgment. You're evaluating everything that you do. All right, so let's pull an oracle and let's get started. Libra, this is the time for you to think of what are the things that you can give rather than take. Stop expecting from people. This is not the time where you can expect from people that, okay, this person I owe this person owes me this much, this person is supposed to make their payment, this person, maybe it's time you need to focus more on what are the things that are pending from your end. What are the things that you need to do in order to get those pending payments? What are the things that you need to do if you want that promotion? What are the things that you need to do if you want new business? Okay, so this is the time to give rather than to take. Libra, your current situation, well, it tells me there are certain things suddenly they're like on fire, they've caught fire and they need your immediate attention. So you're kind of firefighting. Okay, you're very confident, of course, but you're very restless. Maybe you just want to finish those things and move on. You want to suddenly you have to think things through. Maybe you're not thinking things through. You're like, okay, oh, this is a problem, I can solve it this way. Oh, this needs to be done, I'll just get done with it and I'll move on to the next one. Maybe this also indicates there could be too many work pressure on you, so you're like finishing the task one after the other like a checklist. You're not thinking them through. You're not putting much attention. You're not looking into the details. Okay? That could be happening with you. You're too excited, too motivated to finish the work and to get your payments out or to get your work done so that you can sit back and relax. And to do that, you're not thinking things through. You're seeing the bigger picture. You're not seeing the things that can catch fire later. Okay, so be mindful. Libra, your challenge this month is, you're not getting those, the moon is here. So you're not looking into the fine prints. It's time you start paying attention to the fine prints. Hold your thoughts back. Okay, maybe it's certain things you're scared about. You're jittery about certain things. That's the reason you want to finish the work as early as possible so that the payments come on time. Maybe it's money matters, but you're scared. Something in you is kind of skeptical or scared. So you're a bit jittery, so you want to finish the work so that you can be sure that, okay, now I can look for my payments. I would rather keep everything ready. So you're not listening to your intuition. Maybe certain times your mind is telling you, don't do this. This is not the right time. Rather focus on this. This is not the time to do this. But you're not listening to your psychic, your intuition. You're not. You're more focused on the practical side. Okay, not listening to that gut feeling. So pay attention to your gut feeling, Libra. Now, what is happening here, Libra? What you have to do this month more of is similar to what Gemini had. Get down and get your hands dirty. Start doing the work. Stop procrastination. Stop thinking of everything as your problem. Don't blame people. Oh, they are not reaching out to me. Oh, they're not talking to me. Maybe they're angry. No, every time it's not, you are not the problem. They could be going through some problem on their end. They could be facing some challenges. People you're dependent on, people that you do business with or you work with. You need to be sensitive and sensible about others. You need to think of others too. You cannot just only think about yourself. Okay, so this is the time when you need to start being more understanding about others. Like you want people to understand your problems, your challenges, your hurry. You have to understand others and you have to get down and get your hands dirty. Be patient. Don't rush things. Do what needs to be done from your end. This is the Virgo energy. It's come double. So you have to get into that Virgo energy of being consistent, be patient. Just don't look for what is it that is coming towards me. What is it that is coming? Okay, I've put in this much of effort. What am I getting back? Am I getting back anything? So learn to deal with challenges. There will be challenges. Think of the sensible ways of dealing with challenges. Throwing tantrums, crying, brooding, worrying about them are not going to solve your problem. Rather, you have to take a sensible approach. What is it that you can do? What are the things that are pending from your end? What is the best way out from whatever challenges you're facing? Because there are certain things that are on fire and you need to work on fire footing, okay? War footing. You have to firefight. So instead of thinking, getting scared of that, think of how you're going to approach it and how you're going to do it. Do not focus this month much on Libra, on family and good times, getting along with people, celebration, and financial security, abundance. They will come if they have to come. Don't chase them. Maybe you're thinking too much on, okay, this work needs to be done, that needs to be done. I hope my payment gets released on time. I'm going to pay this. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to spend money on this. Don't think of spending money. Don't think of things. Don't dream of, okay, once I come into money, this is what I'm going to do for my family. This is what I'm going to do for myself. This is what I'm going to spend on. Don't think of expenses and making everybody happy right now. Right now, be sensible, have a sensible approach. Do the things that are the need of the hour. Don't dream of the good things that are coming towards you. Okay? Libra, what is coming towards you? Well, believe in yourself. This is where you're falling short of. Believe in yourself. Okay? Don't go into every battle. You don't have to fight every battle. Do the things. Have a sensible approach. Again, the same energy here. Have a sensible approach. Do what is there in your hand, what you can do. Don't think of why things are not happening. Why am I stuck? Why do I think things are not moving? Instead of asking whys, think of the things that you can do. Stand your ground. Stand for your beliefs. Okay? And don't rush. Okay, if things are not happening, don't have to be a people pleaser. You don't have to be a people pleaser. Do what you can do, what is in your hand. Choose your battles wisely and just do them. Keep doing them. Don't take 2 steps forward and look back. Okay, who else are following me? Okay, what am I getting for these 2 steps? Don't. Just focus on your work. Think of the things that needs to be done. Be understanding of the situation. Understand the gravity of the situation. Understand the what needs to be done and do them. Do them. Focus on your work. Stand for your work. If people are coming and distracting you, tell them, look, this is the need of the hour. This is important. I need to finish this first before I go into anything else or before I commit. If that displeases a few people, let them get displeased. You are not a people pleaser that you have to please everybody. But finish the work or the task in hand before you jump into anything new. Okay? All right. So Libra, this has been your finance and career reading for the month of June. I'll see you around. Until then, stay safe and I'll catch you later. Bye.